Hey, it's Jason here. So, Facebook Marketplace, I stumbled across a 1975 Kawasaki KZ 400. The guy wanted a lot of money for it. It was a barn find. It was pretty dirty, and I ended up getting it for $200. My intent with this bike, honestly, is clean it, preserve it, keep it in my garage. The engine does not appear to be locked up, and overall, it seems to be in decent condition. The chrome could be tweaked, and the lay-down bars are pretty rusty, and it's missing a brake level. The seat's in perfect condition. So again, Kawasaki KZ, 1975. It's blue. It has 3,649 miles. The issue with this is I had the title, but the title is still showing a lien. The gentleman that owned this died many years ago. The title is from 1975, and I don't have the lien release. The bank that he had it financed with is no more. It's gone. So supposedly I can go through the FDIC in DC, and they have records of banks that went away. So this is the bike. I'm just going to keep it in my garage, try to preserve it a bit. These are selling for a lot of money in Vegas at Mikium. Every January they have the motorcycle show. And these Japanese bikes are selling for a decent amount of money. The seat's perfect. It is missing the brake. And then mileage is 3,962 actual mileage. So that's a little project as part of the little museum that my son and I have of various automobilia, and I was happy to get my hands on it. Stay tuned.